The Repel umbrella redefines what it means to defend against the elements with its best-in-class construction and design. Most umbrellas are made of 6 or 8 aluminum ribs, but Repel is fortified with 9 resin-reinforced fiberglass ribs that flex slightly to withstand powerful gusts without turning inside out. Repel boasts superior water repellency with a Teflon-coated canopy that dries instantly and defends against the elements like nothing else. It's super light, weighing less than a pound for easy storage in a purse, briefcase, or carry-on. Use effortlessly with its auto open-close function and best-in-class ergonomic, slip-proof, and rubberized handle. At Repel, we raise the bar because Mother Nature has no limits.
Predicting the weather can be difficult, but being prepared doesn't have to be. I'm meteorologist Rick Reichmuth, founder and CEO of Weatherman Umbrella. And as a meteorologist, I've experienced my fair share of unbelievable weather. Just over 2 years ago, we released the first Weatherman Umbrella to stand up to all the elements people encounter. Since then, we've been able to help hundreds of thousands of people all over the world be better prepared for anything that Mother Nature throws at them. And even more importantly, we've been able to support groups that we deeply care about along the way, such as supporting higher education for families of veterans. Weatherman has always been focused on developing high-quality products that are reliable in any condition and can withstand anything from a surprise afternoon shower to the heaviest downpour. More than ever, we're committed to keeping you going at the speed of life, especially when life catches you out in the rain. At Weatherman, we believe there's always a way to innovate and improve. Thanks to your messages, your emails, and your phone calls, we felt like we've experienced your rainiest adventures right alongside you. We know you love the minimalist, functional design of our past collections, We also know you want something that is smaller and lighter to carry with you on the go, to be more portable than anything we've ever designed before. After 18 months of research, testing new ideas, and implementing new mechanics, we're proud to announce that we've taken all our best features to engineer our smallest umbrella yet. Introducing the Weatherman Travel. The Weatherman Travel maintains best-in-class strength in the wind, despite its small profile, and keeps you covered with durable water-resistant canopy to keep you dry in the rain. Safety is always paramount for us, which is why the Travel maintains nighttime visibility with our signature reflective edges. Even in the poorest of conditions, you'll be easily spotted by motorists and pedestrians. We've added a brand new feature to the Weatherman line, a pop-to-close button on the handle that opens and closes a canopy of your umbrella with just one click, even when your hands are full. With our optional Bluetooth tracker called the Droplet, and the free Weatherman app, you're covered with up-to-date alerts and features such as the location of the most recent connection to your Weatherman. Make sure you never forget your umbrella on the go ever again. Whether you're packing a bag for work, getting ready for your next international vacation, or simply just out for the day, the Weatherman Travel doesn't just keep you safe and dry, it'll keep you from ever having to slow down. After 18 months of refining design concepts and integrating your feedback, we've built our smallest umbrella yet. We are thrilled to release to you your newest Weatherman, the Travel. Now, it's time for you to take it outside, wherever your travels may take you.